Hey guys, what I have here is a Nokia Lumia 820 and the iPad for loudspeaker test. So to start, let's check the speaker position location on each device. So we got here on the bottom the 820, the same on the iPad here. So let's put in mind that this is a tablet and the speaker is larger compared to the Nokia Lumia 820. But let's still check out the speaker on each device. So to start, let's go with the iPad. The 820. On the iPad. So that's it. I guess the Nokia Lumia 820 has a louder speaker, but the difference is very small, and the quality is almost the same on each, but with the iPad with more bass on the loudspeaker, and compared to the 620, I guess the 820 and the Nokia Lumia 620 has almost the same speaker output on the loudspeaker. And going to the stereo headset, this is the WH208 bundled on the Nokia 820. The bass on this stereo headset is very excellent, and the quality is really good. It supports Dolby surround system similar to the Nokia N9, and this is the N9 stereo headset WH207. I prefer this WH208 due to the more suppressed outside or ambient noise when I listen to music. So that's it. It's the Nokia Lumia 820, and we're done on the speaker test. Just refer to my site gadget.com for the review and more stuff on it. So that's all. Thank you for watching.